In this tutorial, you will learn how to stake your EDCOIN. The features of the earlier EDCOIN Smart Staking website have been moved to the Master EDCOIN Wallet app. From time to time, the opportunity to stake and grow your EDCOIN via EDCOIN Smart Staking will be made available. When an EDCOIN Smart Staking window is open, you can follow this tutorial to select your preferred EDCOIN Smart Staking plan, deposit your EDCOIN into the plan you have chosen, HODL and earn yield through your EDCOIN Smart Staking plan. You will receive the yield plus your stake balance at the end of the staking plan. You can always withdraw your funds earlier, but please note that you will therefore forfeit yield accrued for prematurely terminating the staking plan before its maturity date. EDCOIN Smart Staking. From your dashboard, click on the staking icon. Choose your preferred staking plan. Click on Stake Now. Please take note of the minimum and maximum EDCOIN allowed. Enter the quantity you want to stake. Acknowledge that you have read and accept the terms and conditions. Click on your preferred authentication button. Enter the appropriate authentication code. Congratulations, you have successfully staked to grow your EDCOIN over time. Click on OK to view a summary. You may click on Continue to stake your EDCOIN in most staking plans. EDCOIN Smart Staking. Let time do the hard work to grow your EDCOIN.